Hey guys, in this video we are going to see about Neumorphism, which is something like this one, which gives us a 3D look and 3D feel. Let us now start to create something like this. Body, body container, center, child, container. Okay, let me run this. Okay, let us add a child and an icons dot flutter dash. Okay, flutter dash is the mascot of flutter. Let's increase the size, command size maybe of 300 200. Okay, what is between this? Flutter dash outline. Okay, let me give this container a height of 200 and a width of 200. Okay, let me change this to 150. Okay, now let us add a box decoration to this container. Decoration and then box decoration. Box decoration. Okay, border radius, border radius dot all, radius dot circular maybe of 50. Okay, let's give this a color. Color is to okay, it must be similar to white so that it would be nice. Colors dot gray dot. Okay, let me try this. It's much dark. Dot 200. Now let us add a box shadow. Box shadow. Color is to colors dot gray dot shade 300. Okay, let us give this offset. Comment it offset dot okay. Okay, don't. Okay, let us create this once more and give this as minus and minus. If I run this, we would get this shadow even at the top here. Okay, then let us add a blur radius of 10. What would be? Okay, then let us give this a spread radius of 1. Let me make this as 50. Let me make this as 20. Blur radius and spread radius to here. Let us add this as white. So that it looks like somewhat light is coming from top. Okay, let me give this as 15. Here to 15. Okay, it's good. Let us add a background color for this. Background colors dot gray dot shade 200. Okay, let me make this as 100 and this as 400 and even this as 100. Okay, now it looks good. We completed what we decided to do. Okay, even we can change this icon color. Okay, color is to colors dot gray dot shade 500. What about this? It looks good. Okay, it looks good. Now this container looks like it's actually domed up, something like 3D. Okay, even we can change this radius. Where is the radius? Command F or L. Okay, if we change this radius to 100, it would become a whole circle. Let us give this as 70. Even this offset we can change to something like 5, 5, 5 and 5. Let us see what happens. It goes a bit down. Okay, 9. Let it be 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. And that's all for today. Let's see again in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.